Hey, if you wonder where is exactly located the touch sensor on your Huawei FreeBuds 5, so when you open the gestures, you can find information that it appears just right here. But honestly, when I want to, for example, play in the pause media and I'm gonna open the YouTube music, so for me, it works better if I tap a little bit lower, right here. Okay, it looks like I just turned it on the right one, so let's try. Okay, that's funny because right now it doesn't work for some reason. Let me just check it out. What I set up, play in a pause, let's set it on the both earbuds. There we go. Okay, and right now, okay, as you can see right now, it works right here in this place. But honestly, when I was using it previously, I really was tapping right here. As you can see right now, it works for this one. For the left one, it looks like it's lower a little bit. Take a look. So yeah, that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.